How's it going? Here's another Cliqly update. I'm going to show you all my results. I'm going to show you how I've been, writing down my data over the month and how I keep track of my expenses and profit. I've made a little over $400 with Cliqly, and I've upgraded a few times, and I'll show you my profit as well. So we'll get right into it. So the first document is my first few weeks in Cliqly. It was slow. So when I started off in Cliqly, I got Cliqly to send my affiliate offers to their leads. I didn't get in Cliqly initially to make money within the platform with their CPA link. So within the platform, they're going to give you a built-in CPA link. So when people click this link, when their leads click this link, you're going to earn 10 cents a click. So if you see day one, you see my averages, it ranges. So instead of me doing exactly what I earn every single day, I just added on to it. So I went from 11 to 15 to 29 in that second day. So you get it's around a 5-day free trial. You're going to get 500,000 pro credits, 200,000 list builders, and I'll explain that. But the second day I had already upgraded. I said, hey, because you can't really cash out your commissions and get to the $300 threshold. You need $300 to cash out. So you can't really get there without upgrading. And I already knew that. So I went straight into it. Like I said, the only issue is I did not just do the CPA link and I was still getting results. So you see, I upgraded for 97. So I was negative 70. I had already started, earning, but also negative 70. As you see, as the days go up, I get, my profit gets better and better. Some days I didn't, write every number down, but you still see after a while, after day 11, my profit, pretty much was good, but I upgraded again. So I was at $90 after day 12. I should have been way more than $90, but I was sending out my links, so it took away from my money. So I should have been well over 100, maybe even $200 by day 11, but I had ran out of credit. So I was at 8,000 subscribers. By this time, they give you 5,000. So I went up a lot of subscribers and I upgraded again. So it brought my almost profit down again to negative 65. But look how I start, going up the ranks. And I'm upgrading very inexpensive. A lot of people come in and upgrade with a lot of money. I didn't. I wanted to see how this works. So you see right here, I'm only negative 65 as the days go on. Now I'm positive. I'm positive 20 by day 16, positive 85 by day 18. I'm positive $155 by day 20. So I already made my money back. Now I'm positive. The only issue is with what I told you at the beginning, it made me have to upgrade again. So we're going to open up my new. So I had to upgrade again the 9th of June for another 55. So what happens is they do a lot of discounts, so a lot of 40% off. So I'm only spending, very low. So when I upgraded, I was still $83 in profit, even when I upgraded. I was at 275. I needed $300 to cash out. The list wasn't engaging as much. For some reason, the clicks went down a little bit, but I shot back. So, by day 3, I was back in profit. See, I need to start writing this down better. But by day 3 of my, this is after I cashed out. So by day 2, I was already cashed out. You see, I was already pretty much at $300. So this day 2 or 3, I had already hit my $300. So this starts where we are now. So you see, I'm back up. I tracked the upgrades. You see, I'm still right. Day 6, I was still up $142 from my initial investment. Day 7, these are very new. Day 8, I'm up $82. They gave us an extra 100,000 list builders just on the house. So that gave me some more money. And now my list is at 13,000. And I'm up, so I'm up another 186. Day 11, I'm up $108. So I should be upgrading. I ran out of credit, so I should be upgrading, this weekend. So I'm up. So we're looking at the next $300, and my list is very small. And like I said, I put in a little money to where you see I'm already in profit. Everything I upgrade, I'm still in profit. So I'm putting in very little amounts of money. So this program speaks for itself. So imagine how my revenue is going to look with a list of 20,000. Imagine a list of 50,000. You're going to be making 50, 70, $80 dang near a day. So this is amazing side hustle for someone who doesn't want to really focus on and learning recruiting. So even if I do recruit, so every initial upgrade, so when your members initially upgrade, it's going to be $97. That is 100% commission. So if I had recruits, the income would be out of this world. You're going to get $97 per recruit, and when they upgrade, and then every time they buy credits, you're going to get 5%. So it's very straightforward. So we can go in Cliqly Pro a little bit. So if we look, and I can't show you the main account because it has passwords and stuff on it, but if we look how you send emails, is so simple. So you have two sets of emails. You have list builder. So what a list builder is when you send these emails, they're going to be able to click the link, so you're going to earn 10 cents, but they go into your openers list, meaning these are the people you're going to email with the pro credits. So I always send out my list builders first. You're going to start off, I always send 20,000. When you start off as a trial member, you're going to be able to only send like 40,000 a day. I'm able to send 500,000 a day. So 20,000 per email. So they're already built in email. So I don't have credit, so I don't think it's going to let me even go to the next level. So you're going to put in 20,000. You're going to go to the next level, and they have built-in emails all ready to go. And you're just going to pick which one you like the best. You're going to put your name or whatever name you want to put. And you're just going to send it out. So, and it's the same with the pro credits. You see, when you upgrade, they have a whole bunch of 40%. So this is how I'm able to turn a $97 package into $58. And they have bigger ones where you can just come in and say, hey, I just want to come in and load up, etc. So same here. And for this one, you don't have to put anything in. It's going to show you what your list is at. My list is at 13,000. You're going to hit next. It's not going to let me do it because I need more credits. It's going to have pre-built in emails. You can see my previous videos to see the emails. You're just going to send them. It's so simple as far as that. They have some other stuff too that I don't have. So they have one called Mail Inbox Pro. So this is just another way to email your list. So with Mail Inbox Pro, you were able to email for a flat rate. So you'll just pay like $97 a month, and you'll be able to email a certain amount of people every single day. So for 97 a month, you'll be able to email 30,000 emails a day. So it doesn't take credits, it just takes that flat fee, but it can get pricey, so you want to work your way up. So that is my Cliqly update. I love this program. A lot of people are explaining it. It's very simple. Keep it simple. If you need any help before you do anything, ask. Don't just send a whole bunch of emails and do it wrong. Track. If you want this template, if you sign up under me, I'll give you this template. I'll make it a little bit more organized, and you can track. So you're going to track how much you made for the day. So you'll do it. Let's go back. So you'll do it. For example, you'll do how much did I make? You'll click yesterday. So hey, I made $11 yesterday, 11.70, 117 clicks. Still have a small list, and that's what you'll put. And that's what you'll put right here. Or you can do it like I do. I just add on. Like I'll add that on to what I have and just do it like that. Here you're gonna write your sub. So I usually do after I run out of credits, I'll write what sub. I'll write what sub count I'm at after I run out of credits. When I upgrade, I write when I upgrade and when my profit. So you can do that every day or every week. And I write little notes. So these are notes. So if the lists like aren't clicking good, or like Cliqly gave us some credits, I write all that stuff down just so I know, where where we are. So that's it. That's my Cliqly review. Hope you enjoy. I'll leave all the information in the description. You can get a 5-day trial. When you upgrade, it's going to be $97. And after that first upgrade, you're just going to buy more credits. And I'll actually show you. And how I buy my credits is I go under list builders. There's a different way to buy the credits, but I like to go under the, let me see if I can actually, so I go under list building and I do it from here because I mainly want to buy the list builders. But what happens is if you order 1,000, you get 2,000 list builders. You order 500,000, you get 1 million. And what they do, I'm trying to see if I can see it. They usually give you pro credits as well. So I was trying to see if I actually seen it, but usually when I buy my list builder credits, they give you, let me see one more time. Yeah, so don't quote me here because they have different promotions, but usually when I buy my list builder credits, they give me pro credits as well. So they'll give me like 200,000 list builders, 500,000 pros. But it might have been a promotion. So buy whatever credits you need. So if you just want to email your regular list, buy pro. You know, you can come here. You can either buy one of these promos. You know, they have a lot of promos down here. Or you can just come right here, click to add mailing credits. You can see right here, you can just add some regular pro mailing credits, or you can go to list builder. So list builders, you're going to email to their list for 15 million, 14 million members, and it's how you're going to build your list. And the pros is how you're going to email your list. So you usually need both, you know. But with the 40% coupon, you can usually get the deal I said. I don't know if it's still there. I'll update you guys when I upgrade again. I usually get list and pro, so it just depends. It can get a little costly, so just make sure you're using your promo codes and paying attention to the discounts. Have a good one.